Today is August 31st, 2025, and silver, the monetary misfit, has broken out. And the chart says that this could be a big run towards the $44 handle. But the question is this the beginning of a violent short covering rally or another fake out that burns retail traders at the 41.06 price resistance level? And here's the setup. Silver based around the $32 handle in April, called the zero fib price support level. And that consolidation, we had a breakout as it carved higher lows and broke out of that consolidation wedge, ultimately coming across its 618 golden pocket. And it has been stair-stepping higher and defending each and every time we've come across that pivot point, which has held perfectly. And the momentum is now driving price into the $40 resistance handle. And I believe if bulls break through the 40.37 price resistance and ultimately the 41.06 handle, the fib 1.61844 target could be a magnet where it opens wide open. RSI is hot, but not overcooked. MACD is ultimately flipping bullish on a crossover state well above its zero line threshold. Volume is confirming this is not weak. This is pure fuel to the upside. And if silver holds the $38 handle in confluence of its primary uptrend ascending price support level that needs to hold, then the targets are $40, $42.50, and then ultimately the top of the 1.618 magnet, the breakout magnet. This is a weekly $41 handle price resistance level. Overall, this is a big Fibonacci breakout setup as long as the bulls defend the 38 handle, setting some stops below the 36.75. Bulls would need, they have to hold that key inflection point really at all costs to avert damage being infused into some of these technical momentum indicators. And the path to the $44 handle is still alive. But the closer we get to the $44 handle, the more violent this squeeze could get. And upon zooming out on the weekly interval, the 41.06 handle is the weekly fib retracement level of the 786. And that will be the biggest line in the sand where the magnet is ultimately going to be magnetized to try and convert up to the $49 handle. Remember back in the county, we talked about how this was a big breakout out of the golden fib pocket, major price resistance level that needed to be held by short sellers and or bear traders really at all cost. And we've got that breakout. That breakout has stuck, has moved the needle to the upside. And this is just not about the chart. Silver is the most manipulated market on earth. And every time it looks ready to run, someone pulls the rug. But this time, with fib confluence and momentum lined up, the question is, can Wall Street really stop a move that's already in motion? Or is the $44 handle just the beginning of a much bigger all-out storm up above?